welcome to Purusha Yoga. Today we're going to look at the practice of Om. You know, a lot of people are intimidated or self-conscious about creating this vibration through the body. Well, I hope this will end some of the confusion for you. Really, it's just the universal sound moving through your body, and literally everything that's alive in this world has a vibration. And this is a way to connect to your inner vibration and also helps us to connect to the world vibration. So it's a really simple practice. You could even just practice Yum, but I'm going to show you the classic breakdown of the sound Om. It's actually spelled more realistically as A-U-M. And we're going to take the breakdown of each of those three sounds and feel them through our body. The sound Ah through the root chakra, the lower belly, grounding us to the earth and our physical being. The sound Ooh in your heart and up through your throat, really connecting you to the heart space and opening your heart to others and community. And then at your third eye, and way up and out into the universe, connecting you to whatever it is that you like to surrender to or feel connected to for inspiration. So as you're practicing the sound Om, hear the Ah, Ooh, Take your time and enjoy the vibration moving through your body. Take a deep breath in. And one more time, take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Here's to practicing Om. Namaste.